Power is the backbone of every successful business. From manufacturing industries and hospitals to hotels, commercial buildings, and construction sites, uninterrupted electricity keeps operations running smoothly. But choosing the wrong diesel generator can lead to unnecessary fuel costs, poor performance, and expensive downtime. So, how do you choose the right DG set? Let's find out. Why do you need a DG set? Power failures can happen without warning. For industries, it means production loss. For hospitals, it can affect critical equipment. For hotels, it impacts guest comfort. For commercial establishments, it interrupts daily operations. A reliable diesel generator ensures that your business continues to operate without interruption. Step 1. Understand your power. Requirement. The first step is to calculate your total electrical load. Make a list of all the equipment that needs backup power, including motors, air conditioners, pumps, lighting, computers, and other essential machinery. Always consider future expansion while selecting a generator capacity. Choosing a slightly higher capacity today can save significant costs in the future. Step 2. Choose a trusted brand. A diesel generator is a long-term investment. Look for a brand known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and nationwide service support. A trusted manufacturer ensures better performance, genuine spare parts, and dependable operation for years. Step 3. Consider fuel efficiency. Fuel is one of the biggest operating costs of any generator. A fuel-efficient DG set reduces running expenses while delivering reliable performance during extended power outages. Step 4. Check emission standards. Modern diesel generators should comply with the latest CPCB 4+ emission norms. These generators are designed to deliver cleaner performance while meeting current environmental regulations. Step 5. Installation matters. Even the best generator cannot perform efficiently without proper installation. The foundation, ventilation, exhaust piping, electrical connections, and safety clearances all play an important role in ensuring reliable operation. Professional installation also improves equipment life and overall safety. If you're planning to invest in a diesel generator and need expert guidance in selecting the right power backup solution, the team at Dusane Engineering is always ready to help. Thank you for watching.